Hello, everyone. Welcome back. I'm Sophia.
And I'm Lucas. How are you feeling today?
That's a great question, Lucas. Today, we're learning about going to the doctor. Have you ever been to a doctor in an English-speaking country?
Yes, it can be scary, but don't worry. Today, we'll learn easy phrases, simple words you can use when you're sick.
Exactly. We'll practice together. By the end of this video, you'll feel confident. You'll know what to say at the doctor's office.
Let's start. Are you ready? Let me tell you about my friend Mark. Last week, Mark felt terrible.
So, Lucas, what happened to Mark?
Well, Mark woke up feeling sick. He had a fever. Do you know what a fever is? A fever means your body is very hot. You feel hot and tired.
Oh no, poor Mark. What did he do?
He called the doctor's office. He made an appointment. An appointment is a time to see the doctor.
Right. Let's listen to Mark's phone call.
Hello, I need to see the doctor.
Of course. What's wrong?
I feel sick. I have a fever.
I understand. Can you come today at 3 p.m.?
Yes, 3 p.m. is perfect. Thank you.
Did you hear that? Mark said, I need to see the doctor. That's very useful.
Yes. And he said, I feel sick. Very simple. Let me say it again. I feel sick. Can you say it with me? I feel sick.
Perfect. Now, what if you have a fever? You can say, I have a fever. Try saying that. I have a fever.
Great job. So remember, when you call the doctor, you say, what's wrong? Use simple words like, I feel sick, or I have a fever.
Think about it. Have you ever called a doctor in English? Tell us in the comments. Was it easy or difficult?
Okay, so Mark made an appointment. Now he's at the doctor's office. Let's see what happens.
Hello, doctor.
Hello, Mark. What's wrong today?
I don't feel well. I have a fever and a headache.
I see. Do you have a sore throat?
Yes, my throat hurts.
Okay. When did this start?
It started yesterday.
Amazing. Let's talk about this. Mark said, I don't feel well. That's another way to say you're sick.
Right. You can say, I feel sick, or I don't feel well. Both are correct. Let's practice. I don't feel well.
Good. Now, Mark also said, I have a headache. A headache means your head hurts. I have a headache.
And he mentioned a sore throat. When your throat hurts, you have a sore throat. Say it. I have a sore throat.
The doctor asked, when did this start? This is important. The doctor wants to know when you got sick.
You can answer, it started yesterday, or it started 2 days ago, or it started this morning.
Let's practice the whole conversation again. This time, I'll be Mark, and Sophia is a doctor.
Hello, what's wrong today?
I don't feel well. I have a fever.
Do you have other problems?
Yes, I have a headache and a sore throat.
When did this start?
It started yesterday.
Excellent. So now you know how to describe your symptoms. Symptoms are the problems you have when you're sick.
Yes, common symptoms are fever, headache, sore throat, cough. A cough is when you go, you know?
Yes. Now, friends, think about this. What symptoms do you usually have when you're sick? Write in the comments.
Okay, the doctor asked Mark some questions. Let's learn about common questions doctors ask.
Good idea. Sometimes doctors ask, are you taking any medicine? Medicine means pills or drugs that help you feel better.
Right. So you can answer, yes, I'm taking medicine. Or, no, I'm not taking any medicine.
Doctors also ask about allergies. An allergy is when something makes you sick, like some people are allergic to peanuts.
The doctor might ask, "Do you have any allergies?" You can say, "Yes, I'm allergic to penicillin." Or, "No, I don't have any allergies."
Let's practice. I'm the doctor. Lucas is the patient.
Okay?
Are you taking any medicine?
No, I'm not taking any medicine.
Do you have any allergies?
Yes, I'm allergic to cats.
Good. Another question, does it hurt here? The doctor might touch your body and ask this.
You answer, "Yes, it hurts," or "No, it doesn't hurt." Very simple.
Let's say it together. Yes, it hurts. Again, no, it doesn't hurt.
Perfect. These questions are very common. Doctors ask them all the time.
Now the doctor examined Mark. Examined means the doctor checked Mark's body. What happens next?
The doctor gives instructions. Instructions are things you need to do.
Right. Let's see what the doctor tells Mark.
Mark, you have the flu.
Oh no, what should I do?
You need to rest. Stay in bed and drink water.
Okay, do I need medicine?
Yes, take this medicine twice a day.
How should I take it?
Take 1 pill in the morning and 1 at night. Take it with food.
Thank you, doctor.
Great. Did you hear all those instructions?
Yes. The doctor said, you need to rest. Rest means sleep and relax. Don't work.
The doctor also said, take this medicine twice a day. Let's practice. Take this medicine twice a day.
And remember, take it with food means eat something when you take the pill.
These instructions are so important. Sometimes doctors say, come back in 3 days, or call me if you feel worse.
Exactly. If you don't understand, it's okay to ask questions. You can say, can you repeat that, please? Or, I don't understand.
Let's practice. Sophia, you're the doctor. Tell me something.
Take this medicine 3 times a day.
I'm sorry, I don't understand. Can you repeat that?
Of course. Take this medicine 3 times a day. Morning, afternoon, and night.
Oh, I understand now. Thank you.
See? It's okay to ask questions. Doctors want to help you.
Absolutely. Never be afraid to say, I don't understand. It's important you know what to do.
Wow, we learned so much today. Let's review the key phrases.
Great idea. First, when you call, I need to see the doctor.
When you arrive, you say, I feel sick or I don't feel well.
Describe your symptoms. I have a fever, I have a headache, I have a sore throat.
Answer the doctor's questions. It started yesterday, or I'm not taking any medicine.
And if you don't understand, can you repeat that, please?
See? You know so many useful phrases now.
Remember, going to the doctor is normal. Everyone gets sick sometimes. Don't be nervous.
Practice these phrases at home. Say them out loud. The more you practice, the easier it gets.
Now, we want to hear from you. Have you been to a doctor in English? What was it like? Write in the comments.
And if you learned something new today, give this video a thumbs up.
Next time, we'll learn about going to the pharmacy. You'll learn how to buy medicine.
Thanks for watching. Keep practicing and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.
See you next time. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.